Hello everyone. Today we will see how to set the height and width of a row or column. So let's start. In this page, if we want to uh, change this column wide, then what we can do, just simply when you will put your mouse pointer here, you will see this particular, here the sign is one kind, but here the sign is changed. So click and drag wherever you want to stretch. Okay, you can drag here, you can do this, like you can do this by dragging this particular column. Okay, and if you want to uh, change the height of this row, then whenever the sign changes like this, okay, just click and drag until you want to make this height as you need. If you want to change the height of this, then you can drag like this. If you want to change like this, and you can drag like this. Okay, so this is one way uh, how you can change by change your column and row height and width by dragging. Another way is you can, for example, if you want to change the width of this column, just select this, then go to format, select column width. You can see the current column width is 15.86. uh, Select 10, click OK. You will see it has been selected as 10, but here the name, product name, is not appearing completely. So you can drag this until it is fitting. Another way, that is auto fit. You can do this auto fit. uh, you have click on, oh, I have forgot to do the same for rows. Click on this, go to format, and select row height. The same row, current row height is 15. You can select this to 20. Click OK. You see the row height has been increased. Another way to do this auto fit, I mean, Excel will automatically uh, replace its size as it thinks it is needed. uh, Click on this particular column, then when this icon shows like that, double click on this. Look, it has been changed. Okay, we can see this row is, the height of this row is bigger compared to other rows. We want to change this, then click on uh, click on this. When this sign appeared, double click on that. Okay, you see it has been adjusted just like other rows. You can see in cells the number is not appearing, so that means this column has not a proper uh, width. So just go here, double click, it has been adjusted. Okay, but you can do this by simple dragging. Okay, so just apply any method that you are comfortable with. Uh, that's all for today. Thank you very much.